Yo, 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 yo. Does the mic work? I'm guessing it is. Let's go. Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, doing? Welcome to a new day, new month, new Bitcoin dump. How you everybody doing in the chat? I see a lot of green names. That's always nice and dandy. Every single day at 9:30 in Central European time on the dollar, we do this live stream because we gotta know what Bitcoin's gonna do. If it's gonna go up, if it's gonna go down, because Bitcoin affects our altcoins, and we wanna know what altcoins are doing. We are not necessarily into the Bitcoin, you know, but we are into altcoins. And you are, if you are into altcoins, you gotta know what Bitcoin is doing. So subscribe to the channel because you wanna see these daily updates every single day, Monday to Sunday, 9:30 Central European time. We never miss a stream every single day on the dollar. Do join us, do join. We're gonna do this entire bear market, entire bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market, you know, doesn't matter. We're gonna do it all like for years and years and years. So do subscribe right now if you're not subscribed, and you know, be part of the community. That said, how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Nihal is in the chat. Do you think my call of 32 is not valid? I don't remember your call, man. I'm gonna see 32 call. Yeah, maybe. No, you didn't say 32k. You said 33, man. You said 33 and then we go up. Right now it's 33.2. If you don't go up here, man, you missed it. You missed the boat. You said 32. I remember that. Wookie want a cookie. It says dump junk juggler. Yo. How you doing? The beauty is here. Nihal, let me see how Wookie want a cookie. Wookie want a cookie. Is there? Who more is here? Yeah, those are the TFNs, guys. Taurus TFNs, guys. Nice. I like to see TFNs, guys, in the house. The green names, the green name crew. How you guys doing? Should I send us some of that in Twitter? Should I use SS on that in Twitter? Screenshots of that in Twitter. Yeah, sure, man. Send me in Twitter. No problem, man. But you said 30. You said 33. You said it's gonna go down 33. Then we go up. Right now it's 33. If you don't go up from over here, man, you know. T-Rune is in the house. TFN stuff, man. Nice to see you. I'm so bullish, but yet bearish. Yeah, it sometimes can be like you can be like, yeah, man, this is gonna go up anytime now, but it's still bleeding down. It's still you know it's gonna go down, but you won't go up. You know. I think that's a mismatch between the feelings and the rational thought. Mismatch. I know this is a CME gap around 32. You ignore me for that. CME gaps doesn't matter, man. CME gaps are like 2018 thing. It doesn't matter anymore. TLA. It's a new month. If you want us turning bullish, you gotta shave your beard. I've never shaved my beard, man. I love this stuff. Do you know how long time it was since I actually needed to do anything about it? You know, when you don't have a beard, every morning you gotta shave. You gotta have, watch out. That's nice, and then like this is just like done. Can it go to 20k? 28k, 24k, guys, how big down it's gonna go. Anyways, guys, let's get into the charts. I hope you subscribe to the channel. I hope you hit the like button. Let's hit the charts and see what is actually happening right now with Bitcoin, and you know, if it's gonna go down or if it's not gonna go down. Break below 30k, then we're effed. Yeah, break below 30k, around that, we're gonna be effed. Bitcoin will go up as the beard grows down. Maybe. Okay, guys. Okay, so you know, the reason for the title rejected, is because we got rejected by the 20 moving average right over here, guys. We got rejected. You see here, this red candle is a rejection from the 20 moving average. That's this red line. So you can see here we went above the 20 moving average, then right back down. That's rejection of the 20 moving average, and it's right now it's support moving average, because over here we got rejected by 20 moving average. We managed to get above it, go down, right back above it. We don't go up down all the time above the 20 moving average. So when you eventually try to get above the 20 moving average and you stay above 20 moving average, you are bullish. Like over here, bullish, right? This is the only time, entire period over here, this is the only time where we managed to stay above the 20 moving average. And I don't know if you guys can remember, but that was one of the most bullish live streams we had, especially on this candle up here. We are super bullish up here, but that didn't happen, you know, before. Over here, it got rejected. We went above it, sure, nice. You know, this is also support holding, 20 moving average, super bullish. Went up, you know, hit some kind of resistance. Went down below 20 moving average, you know, bearish again. Find some kind of new bottom, up, down, up, down. See here, this is the first rejection of the 20 moving average. We tried to get up, nope, went down. This is the second time we are trying to get above the moving, 20 moving average, nope, down again. Now crossing the 10 moving average. Maybe it's gonna go something like, you know, until it actually breaks the 20 moving average. That can be that. But right now, just by looking at the chart, you know, getting rejected by the 20 moving average is not a good thing. It's not a good thing, guys. It's not a good thing. Wyckoff pattern. No, we are not doing Wyckoff pattern. If there was a Wyckoff pattern, this should be in the spring, then the test, you know, we should go up here and stuff like that. Nah, Wyckoff pattern. No. And if you look at a 4-hourly time frame, right, we have been having this rising wedge that's you know, played out. Technically, maybe it's gonna go a little bit more down, depends. I think it's around 33,000, something like that, right? That's the target for it, somewhere around here. It is still playing out, you know, so it might find some kind of support down here. Let's see if you can find any kind of support here. There are supports down here at, of course, at 32,000, but you know, it's all the way down here, so you know, it can go down all the way down to 32,200 and bounce off of that. There is support. It's a big support. It's a good support, you know. We hope it, you know, this support holds. We got also supports down here at 30,868. That's nice and dandy. And of course we got a support, you know, here at 33,500, because I think this is more interesting right now to watch for than the other supports, because you know, on the way up here, you know, we broke certain levels, right? We broke this one, we broke also up here certain levels, but this is the right now on the way back, this is the level that's actually holding. So we broke it once, went back, we broke second time, went back. Right now we are testing this level up down here, right? So I think if we start breaking this level at 33,380, if we start breaking this level down here, I think then we're gonna go down more, and if we go down more, we are gonna definitely break this level of 31,600 or something like that. That might be it. So I would like to hold this level. I would like to hold this level up here that we are right now. I would like this to actually bounce a little bit. So we're gonna see if that's actually possible or not. But I think if we break this level, if we close below this level, this on the daily time frame, you know, so anything can happen. We can have a big weekend and still close above this level. But if we break this level, I think the probability is actually to go down and break the next level down here at 31,000. I don't think I'm not sure if we are gonna break the level or not, but probability is to go down and retest it. So if we get through this over here, there's big probability we're gonna retest the same level down here, and since we already got rejected to the upside 1-2 times, like, we can see lower levels below that as well. So you know, take that into account, guys. Take into account that if we start breaking 33,380, that we might see some lower levels, and that this 31K level might be tested again. So this is a short-term analysis, you know. We have to expect that. Now it's 9:38, so in 20 minutes we are gonna get this 4-hourly close. And if we look at a 4-hourly, guys, over here we are above all the moving averages. Looks nice, and then we started dropping down below all the moving averages. So we went from bullish down to the bearish scenario right now, closing right now above below, what's that, 33,829, closing below that, you know, below the 50 moving average, puts us in a bearish momentum right now. We are a little bit overextended from 10-20 moving average, so maybe we might actually get some kind of a pullback here the next 4 hours towards the upside, maybe, and then continue more down once the moving averages start picking up with us, right? And that way we can be pushed to the downside. But it's not a good thing that you are closing below on 4 hour below all the moving averages. It's not a good thing, guys. It's not a good thing. That's why the title of this video is rejected, because we are getting rejected by the 20 moving average. Right now we are, we closed on downside. That's why we are dropping big time down here, because the rejection is real. And right now we are going for this support down here. We hit the support and we are trying to hold it. We're gonna see if this is a daily support, if this is gonna hold. But if this daily support actually gives up, if this daily support gets broken, your alts are gonna bleed. Definitely, guys, definitely alts are gonna bleed. I know everybody was too hyped yesterday, because some alts were actually performing well, but they weren't actually performing. They went up to certain resistances and then they started getting rejected. But right now you can see clearly here that if this holds, if this starts breaking this level down here, you're gonna have to do a lot of thinking, a lot of creative thinking to make this seem bullish right now. Because if we break this level down here, it is a bearish level to break, and you don't want to do that, and you will definitely tumble down. Now it's not time to neither go short nor long. Maybe it is possible to take a long position from here, but considering that this was a bearish move, considering that this is a next bearish move today, considering that this, it's no, it is no, how are you gonna say it? It's no. There is no confirmation of the support holding yet, right? You want some 2 days or something like that on a 4 hourly or 1 hourly to see some kind of support holding here. But right now it's neither time to go long nor short. Time to go long was here on the rejection right over here, and time to go short will be when we break actually down here, below down here. But right now, I mean, sure, it can go all the way down here, right? And if you go short over here, be sure to have some kind of stop loss, because this can turn around, right? But it's neither on the top or on the bottom right now. It's somewhere in the middle. That's the worst times to go short or long, right? So you don't wanna go long or short on a place where it can go both places. You want to go where the probability is the biggest. Like if you go down to the support, you want to go long, because that's where big probability is, right? Of course, if you break that, you have to have a stop loss, to get out. And you want to short when you actually break the support and go to other side, stuff like that, right? But right now it's a no game. It's a no game still yet. Still in my short, 140% in profit. That's nice, man. That's nice for you. That's nice for you. If you are 140%, that means you are doing leverage big time. Maybe something 100% leverage, so you're down 1%, something like that. I don't know. Maybe short all the way from the top, man. Good for you. Good for you. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the Mimi line, the best line, the nice line. I like this line over here. So this line is alpha and omega. If we start breaking this line, nothing good is gonna come out of it, right? We don't want to break this line. Just do it like this over here. You can do it like this or like this up there, right? But let's put it like this. I think this is nice. I think this is nice. It is confirming this up here, and this levels. Let's try to extend it up here and make it bigger up there. Yeah, it is nice. It is nice channels. These channels are nice, man. I like these channels. We don't wanna fall. And we can go all the way right now. Today we can go all the way down to 30,200. Tomorrow we can go down to something like 30,100. So every day you can go 100 lower, right? You can go 100 lower down here and still be in the channel. But as soon as we exit the channel to the upside or to the downside, that's the prevalent direction to go, right? That's the prevalent direction. And be careful. If you break on downside, it's gonna be very bearish. Or breaking on the upside is gonna be very bullish, of course. Anyways, guys, how you doing? What's up? Hello from Los Angeles. Hello, Leroy Jenkins. How you guys doing? Wait for drop under 30K again. 90% are waiting for that. Do you think 90%? That means that we're gonna. If 90% are waiting for this drop down here, then we're gonna moon definitely. Yeah. A lower low will be 24k. Lower low 24k. You think so? Yeah, I think also 24k around that. Like that might be a very nice number, because you know we've seen these channels before, so we can just reiterate what we already know. And you know, if these channels play out, you know, and right now if we go down through this channel up here, maybe we're gonna go down to the next channel. That's around 20 right now, 25k, something like that, but you know, give or take. We are in a downtrend, in a downtrend. Yes, we are. Hello from Santa Monica. Hello, man. How you doing? Is it hot in there? Is it hot there? I'm guessing it is. It's called Santa Monica. You know, any kind of place called Santa anything is hot. It's always sunny there. Just as easily could be Wyckoff distribution. This Wyckoff thing is getting ridiculous. A red herring. Maybe. Even it shows bullish whales. Good morning, Tiela. Always looking forward to your daily live stream. Keep it up. Thanks, Roy McCroy. I've been looking at 24k for the past few weeks. It's I said it here as well. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are looking for 24k, 25, 28k. So question is, where will this actually stop? You know, it might actually stop around 26k or something like that. We're gonna see that. What should I invest in? Invest in life. Invest in yourself. You know what you should invest in. You should invest in. I'm gonna show you what you should invest in. Wait. Let's do it like this over here, just like. You should invest in yourself. You go to something called Patreon, the late adopter, right? You go to that, you go to the technical analysis crash course. Yes, and then you learn how to you learn how to trade. You know, you learn how to invest. Invest in yourself. Best investment ever you're gonna do. Gotta shield my stuff when I can shield my stuff, you know. One more down, then we start to push according to Wyckoff pattern. You know what? This Wyckoff pattern is so fragile. You know, every new day is like no. Here's the new way the Wyckoff pattern should be looking like. You know, people are just readjusting it to fit the agenda. The next bull play will be very vital. If they manage to pull this back, then good. If they don't, then it will be in a 4-year bear market if you fall below 24k. Why is saying if you fall below 24k? Everybody been saying if you fall below 30k. Now it's if you fall below 24k, and tomorrow it's gonna be like if you fall below 20k. You know. Good morning, Ralph. Good morning. Hoping on bullishness, but have some flat fiat left for a drop. Nice, very nice, very nice. It's good that you have some fiat left. I bought BTC at 34.6. Should I sell or hold? Sorry, I'm a noob. If you're a noob, you gotta stand that you bought 34.6. Depending, did you buy here? Did you buy here? Did you buy the top here? I don't know when you buy. We cannot help you with buying and selling, man. We can tell you what I think is gonna happen, and I think right now probability is downside. So whether you wanna sell, hodl, or whatever you wanna do, you know, that's up to you. If you look at the volume while looking at Wyckoff, you're doing it wrong. I'm not looking at volume at all. Let's see the volume. Volume is actually going down here on the move. This move to the upside, you know, we've seen volume actually decreasing. That means that interest is actually fading in the price, and that's why we're getting rejected, because there is no interest in going up. There is no interest in going. Koinski says 20k is a possible bear market, but he's looking for 24k. You know, these numbers are getting lower by the week. You know, every week is like, first it was like you know, if you fall below 34k, then people lower. Nah, it's 30k now. You know, and tomorrow is going. If you fall below 28k, then if you fall below 20k, if you fall below 15k, if we fall below 10k, it's bear market. You know, at one point you gotta just say like, we have already been bear market. You know what I think? Like I said before, like I say again, like I don't think this is a denial phase. And entirety of this bull of bear market over here was denial phase. It's only when we came up here that people looked back and said like, okay, maybe this was bear market. Maybe that was bear market. You know, but nobody's you know, accepting that this was the bear market while the bear market says. Everybody's like, no, it's we're gonna go up. We're gonna go up. anytime. No, anytime gonna go. No, it's gonna go up. It's only when you go up that, yeah, guys, that was bear market. That was bear market. You know, it's only in the aftermath of the bear market that people are actually seeing what the bear market was. But right now everybody's in denial of what it is, because you know it can actually turn around. If it does turn around, we got up to 60,000. Everybody be like, I told you so, told you so. There was no bear market. It was just a correction. You know, but right now it looks like you know, it looks like it's some downtrend. Mining will not be profitable anymore. Then it's bye-bye. When no, Roy, you don't understand. You do not understand. That's where the bottom hits. When mining stops being profitable, like over here, because over here mining wasn't profitable. If you have been seeing, like, you know, FUD from China again in 2018, you see, you know, miners in China starting to close down because, you know, it's not profitable anymore. But when they start closing down, that's when actually the big possibility comes, and that's when you actually bottom out. So what we are, if we want to actually, you know, bottom out here, technically speaking, like before, we gotta go below the mining price, something like 7,000, something like that. We gotta go down there, you know, and once it starts being unprofitable to mine, and you know, people start throwing their GPUs away, that's when we actually start, you know, figuring out where the bottom is. Why are we in complacency stage, anxiety phase, income? We are in complacency phase stage, yeah. Anxiety phase, maybe complacency, yeah, maybe. 4-hourly chart, cup and handle. Let's see the 4-hourly chart, cup and handle that this guy is talking about. We are on the 4-hourly chart. Let's go over here. Cup and handle. Where is the cup and handle, man? Where is the cup and handle? I don't see cup and handle. Do you see cup and handle? How you gonna? This is the cup and handle. This is the cup. This is the failure. Maybe it looks bad. Then we are talking about this might be the cup and handle. Was this the cup and handle? Let's see over here. Was this the cup and handle? Because we are talking about the possibility that this is the cup and handle. Maybe this was the cup and handle. Let's see here. From the top to the bottom. Maybe that was the cup and handle playing out over there. But where's the cup and handle here now? I don't see any cup and handle. Like, can this be cup and handle? There is no cup and there is no cup and handle. Maybe this one, but you know, this looks like a weird cup, man. That's a weird cup, you know. This is a weird cup. That's a very weird cup, man. I don't think that's cup and handle. China will mine on the dark side of the moon. Yeah, they'll do anything. That's where all the rigs were headed, to the moon. Yeah, to Texas. Yeah, I've heard some talk about, you know, Chinese mines are gonna go into Texas. So, you know, we're gonna see that. What do you think about Polkadot? It's got a nice name, but besides that, I don't know much about it. I know everybody's hyped up Polkadot and saying, yeah, this is built on Polkadot and that's built on Polkadot, you know, but I haven't seen anything, you know, being used in Polkadot. 1 hour and 4 hour head and shoulders. You're probably thinking of something like over here, right? Head and shoulders. Let's see if this is actually looking. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's head and shoulders because this looks like some kind of very weird shoulder. Besides, this looks okay. Shoulder is not going down. I don't see it. I think it's really weird. What do you think about think KF Polkadot? I don't know what KF Polkadot is. What do you think? Any chance of dump soon? We are already dumping, man. I don't know if you've been following or not. We are already dumping. You see this candle? Right now we are down 4.5%. See this candle? We are dumping already through the 10 moving average. On 4 hourly we are below, you know, 50 moving average. 6 minutes left, so we're gonna see how this actually goes out. Okay, my just drop 1k on XRP. Yeah, why not? Throw away your money. Throw away your money. Told China going to Kazakhstan for dirty cheap electrics. Maybe they're doing that. We are overextended to 64k, so better we accept and say it's a bear market. Not going down to 200 weekly EMA. Now going down to 200 weekly EMA. Maybe that's it. But it's gonna be a slow process, you know. So we gotta be looking at this 4-hourly chart, because if you just look at a 4-hourly chart, now weekly charts, you know, it's gonna be boring with it, man. It's gonna be boring with it. 1 step forward, 2 steps back, downtrends, SUCK. Yeah, it does. That, you know, they are tiring you out. They are boring you to death. They want you to sell. They want you to go away. They want you, you know, to be like, F this, I'm gonna go do stonks, you know. The 50-minute red candles are so huge. Of course they are huge. Of course they're huge. Let's see. Yeah, they look huge, but yeah. Who cares? Who cares about 15 minutes, man? What do you think about Kusama, KSM? I don't think much about it. I have no preferences, guys. I like nice charts, and I don't like ugly charts. And nice charts are the charts that go up, and those I like. But you know, on the fundamental basis, I actually don't know. I don't know. Would BTC peg to one price and stay there? Would BTC peg to one price and stay there? At one point, I think it's gonna become some kind of stable coin, you know, but it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time. Maybe in 100 years, Bitcoin will be stable coin. I know it's a good time to buy. How do you know that, man? I want to know, how do you know that? Is just the feeling, or is the technical analysis? They sell all our trading habits from all the exchanges and their apps. Yeah, of course, of course. You know, whoever has access to the exchanges, whoever has access to the buy and sells, whoever have access to the data, to the statistics, knows exactly how markets works, and those guys are making money. So it's not just you know, what is known, CK from the Binance. He's not the only guy who has the statistics. He's probably selling that data to some other counterpart, or allowing them to come into the exchange and see the data for themselves. The data that, you know, how our feelings, our emotions, our psychology is being analyzed on every exchange. You gotta understand that. So they are very confident in where the stop losses are, where the buying price, when are people starting to buying and stuff like that. They are very confident in that. They know how we trade. They know how we trade. Do you think it will go back to 28k? Well, I think if we break this support line down here, 30k as support, I think we will go down to 28k. Yes, I do think we will go down to 28k if we break the support. I think Facebook can predict where we go also. Yeah, Facebook can predict, like, you know, what's gonna happen for the next 10 years in everything. They have so much data. First super chat, guys. Sky KC86, man, thanks so much for the 10 bucks. Just showing some support, man. I'm planning to hopefully join your TI class later this month. Man, I'm so glad about that. You know, it's time to learn some decent tank analysis and understand how this is actually working out. Thanks for the bucks, man. I appreciate it. And you know, join any kind of question you got on tech analysis. You can always ask, you know, once you join the course. I'm always there 24/7, and we'll show you. Mr. SUT Kid, tell us. Matic check. I'm not checking anything else. Have to also watch out for the stocks market. Also looks like a correction soon. Yeah, let's go to the stocks market just for a second and see what's actually happening there, because we've been actually watching for the point of doing TA and altcoins help predict you to see if BTC bottoming or not. Yeah, sometimes altcoins can actually be a predictor of what's gonna happen, because sometimes it might be that, you know, altcoins are, you know, Bitcoin might actually be doing something irrational, and then altcoins are just waiting actually to pump. So let's go to the big time frames up here, to the maybe monthly. Wow, this is a bad monthly close, guys. We got a doji on top on the monthly chart. Look at this, guys. Look at this doji. It's a not good close. This is a monthly close on the Doji, Dow Jones Industrial Average. This is a doji. You can see here previously on the tops there is here's a doji, but it isn't a top doji. Where do we have any other? This is a doji, but you know, it might be similar. But it's not like this kind of doji. This seems like the top doji. This can be looked at some kind of reversal pattern right now. No, wait, sorry. No, it is correct. This is June, this is July. Yeah. So this is actually closed. This candle up here, the monthly candle on the Dow Jones index is closed. So this is actually quite bearish. This is bearish. You got a big fat green candle, and you got a doji in the middle here. So you know, if we start getting the bigger red candle here, it might be some kind of reversal pattern, which won't be actually good. So you know, doji at the top, that already is giving it a little bit up. Let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. You can see on the weekly, 2 weeks ago on this red candle, we said that this has happened before, guys. We said this has happened before, and what we want to see right now is getting back above the 10 moving average, because you know, every time we fall through it, we get right back above the 10 moving average, right back above the 10 moving average ever since the corona dump, right? You see over here, down, right back up, and now down, right back up. But I'm wondering, will this actually up move be actually worthwhile? Because right now we are having some kind of downtrend here, guys. We are having some kind of downtrend, and you know, although we fell through it, we fell through the 10 moving average, we came right back up again, but we are coming up to the resistance. So I think this resistance here is gonna be very important to break. This on the weekly chart, this important weekly resistance. If we start getting rejected and fall again below the 10 moving average, I think that's already now gonna say that this doesn't look good. If we already now start falling below the 10 moving average, that's gonna be very bad for the markets, guys. That's gonna be very bad for the markets. But yeah, on the monthly, it's terrible candle down here. Now let's go back to the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin did close the 4-hourly candle. Let's go to the 4-hourly candle and see what's happening. And you can see the close is actually super bearish. We closed below the 50 moving average on the 4-hourly candle. We are going down right now. We might actually be picking a little bit up or something like that, because we are overextended. But overall, it is a bearish candle on the 4-hourly. On the daily, we are still below the 10 moving average. Still got 15-16 hours left to actually close this candle up here. But just by looking on the 4-hourly time frame, like, we are below all the moving average right now and going down. On the 1-hourly, we are below all the moving average, and 30 minutes below everything. We are below everything on all the time frames. All the time frames below the daily. And weekly, we are actually breaking a very important support down here at 34,655. That support is being broken. You can see here that is where's from the daily chart. That's this support down here. You know, yesterday we managed to hold that support, but right now we are breaking that downside. So you know, all kinds of bearishness is in the market right now, guys. Now it's not a good time to go long just yet. You know, now we're waiting to find some kind of bottom to actually go long. But you know, and even for the shorting is actually risky, because you didn't short the top. You know, you are in the some kind of middle of the channel right now to be shorting. So neither shorting nor long is actually advisable right now. Right now it's a time to wait and see what's actually gonna happen. But it looks more bearish than it looks more bullish. It does have this bearish sentiment around it, right? You know, you can say that this is high and this higher high. You know, this is gonna be low, this is gonna be higher low. You can say that, but we don't actually know until we actually get down there, right? Until we get the pivot point, we don't know whether this is gonna be higher low or not. I did short the top. Jay, congrats. I shorted 36 too. Yeah, good for you guys. Good for you guys. Check my tweet this morning. Koinski's in the chat. He's saying something, guys. Koinski is talking. Let's check his tweet. Let's go to, guys, again, if you want to learn tech analysis, Patreon, technical analysis crash course, all of the classes are there, and right now I'm pumping the rest of the course, so do check it out. Let's go Twitter, let's go Twitter, mentions, no, all this, home, and let's see, Koinski is saying something. Where is Koinski saying something there? Let's see what's Koinski saying. 20, no, what did Koinski say, man? He said, morning dudes, morning, I don't know, man, head and shoulders, 1 hour target 34. Check my tweet this morning, your tweet this morning, 1 hour ago. Oh, lose support, go short, BTC, head and shoulders, 1 hourly time frame. Yeah, I was just looking at this, you know, but you know, it is head and shoulders. Like, you know, you got a left shoulders, head, right shoulders, down to 31,005k. Maybe this might actually play out, but I think it's very tricky head and shoulders pattern. Like it is I don't know what to call it. I don't know what to call it. It is kind of shady business. Like, it does look, but you know, I've seen worse head and shoulders, but you know, it might be head and shoulders. You know, it might be head and shoulders. Yo, scroll down. This is a massive bear trap. We are seeing flash crash with no spike in volume and no retest. You're gonna see that, man. You're gonna see the volume coming. You're gonna see the volume bounce in like crazy if we start breaking this level down here. So let me pop the volume down here, and you're gonna see like on you can see here the big volume coming in up here. This is the big volume down here. This crash down here had a big volume, right? This crash up here, it actually didn't have that big volume. It had it had a little bit extra volume, but not that much actually, not that much actually. You see, so I think if you start breaking you know, this line up here, if you start breaking that line to the downside, I think the volume will come in. Volume will come in, guys. Volume will come in. Rosca, don't go with money you need. 200k is here, CK. Yeah, CK. 200k, what the fuck? Yeah, it's not beautiful. No, it's not beautiful. Unfortunately, not beautiful. But it doesn't need to be beautiful. It needs to be functional. And you know, right now it's already playing out. So we're gonna see if you know 31.5, 31.2 or something like that is the target. Will it retrace the 50 MI on 15-minute chart? CoinSkid for an entry. Bullish for sure. Yeah, CoinSkid and answer that. So yeah, guys, right now super bearish. I don't know how to explain it. You know, I'm just looking right now for lower lows. You know, I'm looking for you know, some kind of bottom to be found actually, so I can, you know, go long or something like that. But right now it doesn't look good. You can also see the volume. Volume is actually giving a, you know, volume is saying that this move to the upside. Volume has been saying that this move to the upside, is not actually, there is not big interest in the move. So, you know, it was a weak move. We hit some kind of resistance, and right on that resistance, we just failed. We just failed. Literally just failed. Feeling a pina colada coming on. maybe pina colada. European stock market, every sector is in green this morning. I believe this could be a good for crypto. Obviously not, because everything in crypto is red. Everything is crypto is red. Big pump coming in a week or so. Maybe. We hit bottom in 4-hour chart. You think? How can you explain that we just broke the 50 moving area? How did we hit the bottom, man? How did we hit the bottom? The bottom has just been confirmed. I don't see it, guys. I know he's saying the bottom has been confirmed, you know, but I don't see it. Maybe. Let's see over here. Like, what bottom are we talking about? This one down here. I won't say it's confirmed. Like we are just sitting on the bottom, but you know, it's not neither bullish nor bearish. And technically on the small time frames we have already like broken that bottom. You can see here we're trying to hold it. 4 hourly, yeah, on 4 hourly broke that, but you know, 4 hourly doesn't matter. On daily, I don't know. I don't think it's the bottom just yet. Look, stock RSI. I'm not that into stock RSI, man. Don't think it's confirmed. Bottom has been confirmed. Ha, troll. Because I pulled 10x long. Crystal ball. Nice. Bottom confirmed. Yeah. They're calling the Puel multiple as indicator of a large rise. Puel indicator. What's that? I never heard of Puel multiple. Is Puel multiple? Which one? Puel multiple. Bitcoin fundamentals, bro. Puel multiple. I have absolutely no idea. What was this? Maybe you should be looked on daily. I have no idea what this is. Puel multiple. So, you know, some kind of bottom. Absolutely no clue what this is. Doesn't matter. New moon. Yeah, the new moon, guys. The new moon is gonna pick us up. Let's see how the new moon is actually playing out. Some other chart over here. Just clean up everything and add moon phases. It is working out so far, guys. You know, you can see that, you know, the moon phases are actually working out. So right now we are still in option, so it doesn't matter if we go a little bit down over here, as long as we, you know, continue going up, you know, we can go a little bit down, no problem. We can go down all the way here as long as we actually continue going up at the end of it. So we still got until the new moon up here, you know, we still got time to actually push this up, but it looks like the new moon is actually giving us a sign that this is gonna be fine, guys. This is gonna be fine. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's show. I hope you learned a little bit more. I hope you understand that we are bearish. Check out the Patreon, guys, if you want to learn Tenkan analysis. The full course is already out there. You know, if you don't know anything about Tenkan analysis, that's the place to start. Thank you for watching the show. Every single day at 9:30 Central European Time, we do this Bitcoin Daily show. So do join us tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the likes button on the way out. Hit the notification button, all the kind of button, just hit something, you know, it's gonna be fine. And join us tomorrow at 9:30 Central European Time, because we do this show every single day at 9:30 Central European Time, because we gotta know what's actually happening with Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, again, thanks for joining. Michael Altcoin finally found the way into the chat. Michael, you're late. The stream is finished. What were you doing? You know. Anyways, guys, thanks a bunch. See you around. There is no Dodge Daddy. We are not bullish. We are bearish. You know, but you know, maybe tomorrow. See you around, guys. Bye bye. Have a nice green day, TLI. Always a pleasure to be here. Ah, thanks. I love the green names, guys. They are so nice.